Here is my response for this question. This question says the quadratic function f is graphed in the xy plane below, which is this one. If f of x is less than or equal to u, which is a very important information one should understand, for all values of x, which of the following could be the coordinate of point P? The coordinate of point P is given by t comma u. T is the abscissa or x value and u is defining the y value. So now what we have to understand, what does this mean? F of x is less than or equal to u. To understand this, I have some animation here. So I'm going to try, this is the u value, I'm going to move this point. See that the red dot is moving as the value of t, which is on the x-axis, which is actually the abscissa or x value, which is this. So as x move, the y value, which is u, is changing, but it comes down and it moves up, goes up and reach to a maximum point. And after beyond that it doesn't go and it comes back, it is again coming down. That is what it means when they are saying the f of x is less than or equal to u. It means the y value of this function doesn't go beyond u. Means it is here, you can see it is 1, it goes 1 more than 1, then it becomes little more and it reaches to a point where it becomes 3, and then again it start becoming lower and it reaches to 0 or something. That is what this means. Now after having the knowledge of this, we have to find where the maximum point. They are saying find the coordinate of the point P. That means I must know at what point this maximum point reaches. So I have to find the value of t, and then we will be able to find the value of u. So the important thing is we have to find the value of t, which is the abscissa value or x value. As we know, this is a quadratic function, which is a parabola, and parabola is always symmetric about the line of symmetry. Now you have also been given the coordinate of the point of intersection. X coordinate is 1 0, where the parabola is intersecting the x-axis, and 4 comma 0. So these are the 2 points. The coordinate of this point, x value is 1, and the x value of the other point is 4. So this point must be in the middle. So I have to find out what is the coordinate of the point T. Because this is 1 0 and this is 4 0, so there are 3 divisions, 1, 2 and 3. So these are 3 units away. The other point is 3 units away. So the midpoint is going to be halfway, which is 1.5 units away. So if this point is already x, the midpoint between these 2 points, the x coordinate, x intercept of the parabola, it should be 1.5 units away, which means the coordinate of the midpoint or the x value of the midpoint is going to be 1, which is already away from the origin, plus 1.5. So the coordinate of the midpoint is going to be 2.5. So the maximum, which is they are saying the find the value, the coordinate of point P, so the t value has to be 2.5. Now once you know the x value is 2.5, looking into these answers, the only choice C says 2.5. All others are saying 2.75, 2.25, 2 or 3. So none of them are going to fit in the middle of this midpoint of these two x-intercepts. So my answer is going to be C. To make it further clear, I'm going to show you this is the one. See the 2 point, and it goes from here, it goes up to this. So the x value of t is going to be 2.5. Now, without even trying to find the value of u, because the equation of the parabola is not given, even without knowing the equation of the parabola, you can see in the given choices, choice C, the only choice has 2.5. So the u value, you can see it must be 3, which I can show you by dragging my point. When I move this, you can see when it reaches to midpoint and the u value is 3. But this is what I did to give you some animation and to see what does it mean. But in the given question, you will not be able to find the y value, as the value of the function is not given, the equation of the parabola is not given. But you can see there is no other choice other than choice C, which has 2.5. So my answer is going to be C. I hope you understand the question and its response.